Well, now there is. Introducing the YouTube channel analytics bot. This bot automatically collects data from your channel and your competitors' channels and sends you a daily email with all of the key metrics. You'll be able to see things like your daily subscriber gain, your daily views and comments, your total video plays, your total channel visits, your subscriber gain for the current month, your daily likes and dislikes, the average for all of the above data. The YouTube channel analytics bot is the perfect tool for any YouTube creator who wants to grow their channel faster. By tracking your progress and comparing yourself to your competitors, you can identify areas where you can improve and make changes that will help you reach your goals. The bot is easy to use. Just install it and run it once, and it will start collecting data from your channel and your competitors' channels. You'll receive a daily email with all of the key metrics so you can stay on top of your channel's performance and make informed decisions about your content creation. The YouTube channel analytics bot is the perfect way to save time and boost your channel's growth. Order now.